So I initially planned to start streaming around 12 my time. So it's 4 p.m. now, so 4 hours late for a stream. It's caught up with a whole ton of things to do, but let's get to turning the save system that we have here into a Unity asset package so that we can move on to send our submission into the Unity asset store and then start creating the content for part 50. So where I left off in the last session was having this system where now we have all these slots here, and then we're able to configure all of these slots to show the things that we want to show. Let me just change this over to data save slots. This button doesn't work though. So something like this, this whole thing will be a prefab. Makes me proud to look at my work here. It's a little knock, I know, but it's been a couple of months of work, so I'm very happy to see it's turning out well. Let me just figure out where the player is supposed to go. There is bench. Just to test out this whole thing, right? I want to also change the scene and see whether the loading actually fixes the issue here. What's going on at the very end? Now reference exception. Looks like we're gonna have to fix that later on. It's just a UI mana thing, right? Probably something is not set. So let's just set the thing. It's just a UI mana thing, so you should find that inside the UI manager. Primary fill, overlay UI, default overlays. Let me just see what's the assignment here. All of this stuff set for scenes, I'll be working independently. Same here, I just gotta assign these fills. Overlay. Circle and broken circle here. So I'm gonna start a game. I'm gonna go over the cave too and see whether the save actually works. If it does, then that's great progress. So I'm just gonna save my game here. And then let's quit the main menu. Main menu should show our game, which it doesn't at the moment. Very disappointing. So when I select the new game, it doesn't actually give me the correct slot, so it updates the default slot still, which is why it goes to slot 1. So there's something I've got to fix.
Wow! Hey, you know or not? Agoda got cheap flights also leh.
Huh? Serious ah?
Yeah lor. My cousin's wife's yoga kaki. Save a lot, you know.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore to anywhere with Agoda.
Why doesn't it record the current slot here? So this target slot should save irregardless, right? Otherwise, it will not register as a select slot. Little bug here, gotta fix. So I'm gonna go to Cave 2, I'm gonna save, and then I'll quit the main menu, and I should see, well, the handle process update is saving in the wrong place now. This should be I, and this here should be I+1. Maybe.
Yes, Agoda has great deals on flights too. Find great deals on flights from Singapore to anywhere in the world. Don't miss out on your dream trip. Grab a flight and take off. Book your flights now.
So if we leave the slot display to the defaults, it should show. Gotta change delegate here as well. So now it should go 0, 1, 2, and so on, which is the default way to do things. I see someone is here. Who is that? Hi, Chiu Tian. It's been a while. How are you doing? I am making very good progress with save slots. Really happy with that. You can see on my face, right? Everything is working out well, and it's very automated now. It's very exciting. I cannot wait to release this onto the Unity Asset Store. Let's put a header here, numbering, and let's keep things simple first. So now the slots should be correct. Let me also add a delete button onto one of the slots, and then we can duplicate it over to everything else. So where is the delete button gonna go?
Yes, Agoda has great deals on flights too. Find great deals on flights from Singapore to anywhere in the world. Don't miss out on your dream trip. Grab a flight and take off. Book your flights now.
Clear save. There is a clear save option. So this means if I want to change the template here, I am gonna have to make some space to allow people to clear the save as well, huh? I'm just gonna push the metadata up a little bit, and this should allow me to put in a button for us to clear the save. Maybe I can push it down instead. So this whole thing is a button, and planning to put another button down there. So one more button. Why is the button under the legacy? Oh, right here. So I'm just gonna plop the button onto the bottom right corner here like this. I'll expand it to take up 20% of the bottom, and like maybe 20% like this, and then I'll add some margin along the way. And this way I can just do a clear save. Clear save. So we have a clear save button.
What? Hey, you know or not? Agoda also got
You know what?
Bali flight
Actually,
deals. Serious, ah? Yeah lah.
we
My
can
cousin's
just
36
drop
husband booked
the
to Bali for super cheap, yeah.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore
Smash
with
Pro
Agoda.
text component here as well, right? Oh, there's only one image component I can use, so text is inside the button itself. So we have some padding, and in the text itself we can auto size it as well, and then just give it some padding on the top and the bottom. So now we have a clear save button, and we can just bind a, I'm just gonna call this delete actually. And under the reset function, you can just find, there it is, delete.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and background play. Try 1 month free of charge.
Masterable graphic. So button is selectable and most common superclass is UI behavior. So it might be more straightforward. More straight. Native filtering is more efficient. So we're gonna find out the text mesh pro.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube Music app all together. Try 1 month free of charge.
So now we have thing working. But we can't have the delete button show up if there is no save data. So now I've gotta hide the delete button as well. So under the handle process update function.
You know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Ah, serious ah?
Yeah lah, my ex-colleague's durian buddy flew to Tokyo for half price.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
We just gotta turn on and turn off the delete button UI based on whether the save data is there. Just drop. Save is. So we can hide the delete button if the save doesn't exist. And why is the text here now not showing? Because I put it in the wrong place. There we go. So now I just need to update this layer over to everything else by selecting the slot manager and just clicking on update slot elements. This will give me an error. Goodness. (109) slot display is now I think this is just because of the components not being assigned. I can do a reset and this will assign the component. Since I already got everything set up, I will have to manually put in these components. And they should work. So then now I can do this. So I'll have some saves and I'll have something like this, which is very nice to have. And I have the clear save should be working. But right now there's no button, there's no action bound to it. You just have to find a action to it.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube, and video downloads you can watch anytime, anywhere. Try 1 month free of charge.
So I'll have to use the editor. I'll also have to add the action myself right here.
What? Hey, you know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Serious ah?
Yeah lah, my cousin's dentist ex-husband booked to Bali for super cheap, yeah.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
Guess I'm gonna have to reset this thing just to see whether the button action gets added by itself. Yes. The answer is yes. Good. But it doesn't undo itself though. So when I do a reset, the undo doesn't work. That's because I guess because I don't record the changes. Right, is that why? That's probably what's going on, right? Cannot undo the changes. Yeah. Oh, I can. It's undone. It's undone now. But the save slot doesn't matter. It doesn't undo it. It's fine. It's totally fine. I should be able to clear the game now, and this puts us in a very good spot. If I clear the save, I think because it's not duplicated over yet, right? Without the layouts. So I'm going to have to generate save slot elements. Update everything over to the other save slots as well. And now I should be able to delete slot. This gives me start new game. And let's make sure that it goes, when I save a game, it goes in the right places. Where am I? It's horrible that this thing happens, man. I thought we had a proper respawn
and ad-free videos on the YouTube Kids app. Try 1 month
position for the player. Gotta fix the respawn issue as well, which I don't think happens in the builds that we have, which is plus point. But let's sort out the save here. So I'm gonna save in scene number 3. I'm gonna go back to the main menu, and you will see here it says cave number 3. So if I load this game, it continues saving the correct playtime as well, I hope. So I'm gonna bench here and leave, which gives us a little problem because now, is it because, why can't I go back to the original? So I'm in cave 1 now, the save works. It's just that I can't bounce between very well. Like if I change my scene, see if this works. Alright. Bench myself. But now the load actually appears in the wrong place. Oh, didn't know that it would be so much trouble. So the bench positions are not saved properly. The player position X is 1917. And then we have all of this stuff. But what I'm gonna do here, right, is I'll just start the submission of a new asset first. Under the asset store, and then we'll work out the rest of the details as we go along, because Unity takes a while to process our submissions anyway. Assets.
What? Hey, you know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Serious ah?
Yeah lah, my cousin's dentist ex-husband booked to Bali for super cheap, yeah.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
Universal say So let me begin the uploading process. I should, by right, delete this. But what I'm gonna do instead is, let me just copy the project over to a different project of mine so that I can use the other project to do the uploading. And then we'll keep this one intact right here. I have a project, underwater effect. It contains all my other asset packs actually. So I'm just gonna grab that, copy and paste it over, and open the other project.
Ow!
Hey, you know or not? Agoda got cheap flights also leh.
Huh? Serious ah?
Yeah lor. My cousin's wife's yoga kaki save a lot, you know.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore to anywhere with Agoda.
Compilation errors. Why would there be compilation errors then? So I have the virtual joystick here, bench universal here. I'm just gonna delete the associated script. Cannot be loaded. Memory stream cannot be found. It doesn't happen here. Expose basic. Right, I'm gonna run over to the washroom for a bit. Be right back, right?
You know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Serious ah?
Yeah lah, my cousin's dentist ex-husband booked to Bali for super cheap, yeah.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
Gotta figure out why the dispose async doesn't work.
Ow!
Hey, you know or not? Agoda got cheap flights also leh.
Huh? Serious ah?
Yeah lor. My cousin's wife's yoga kaki save a lot, you know.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore to anywhere with Agoda.
So if my version is too old, then I can't use dispose async, huh? Which means I will have to run it as task. Stream is the global data disposal. So I'm gonna do this then. Data dispose. It's friendly to earlier versions. So now we have compatibility all the way back to 2020, but there are some issues here still. It's not contain. This is, so there isn't a style. selection rack.
Yes, Agoda has great deals on flights too. Find great deals on flights from Singapore to anywhere in the world. Don't miss out on your dream trip. Grab a flight and take off. Book your flights now.
I'm noticing here that I'm actually adapting my code for older versions because did not realize that there were so many differences between older version of Unity and new one. Want it to be maximally compatible, which means I'll have to, roll back some of the codes that I have here. Selection rack thing as well. Gotta use the help box instead, which is not as sexy, unfortunately. If so the help box isn't as nice looking as the selection rack. So what I can do is actually Flight selection. Versions.
You know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Ah, serious ah?
Yeah lah, my ex-colleague's durian buddy flew to Tokyo for half price.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
So the help box should be always there. What is the earliest? Since it is Unity 3x. That's a really long time. So I'm just changing the code a little bit to be more backward compatible. It's friendlier to the older versions of Unity as well. And I've added a function here so it's easy for us to override it. Yep, start GUI stuff going forward here. So if you're using this in Unity 2021 and above, you will see the very nice blue style. Not which brings me to the question of what's going on. I have never run into a situation where you have codes running differently in different projects, but I guess we all gotta start somewhere.
Agoda got cheap flights also leh.
Huh? Serious ah?
Yeah lor, my cousin's wife's yoga kaki save a lot, you know.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore to anywhere with Agoda.
So we have our settings here, and no save data anywhere, which is fine. So here, now that everything is working, I can begin packaging this up. We don't need the settings here. Because the settings here should be auto-generated when I turn on the bench universal save system. Where is this printed? It's right here. I think I need the canvas prefab as well, right? This should be important prefabs folder. Where I will drop the UI saves. And let's copy the prefabs folder over to our other project here.
Agoda also got good flight deals.
Serious ah?
Yeah lah, my cousin's dentist ex-husband booked to Bali for super cheap, yeah.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
And then I can refit this thing here. I also need a demo scene, right? So let's copy this over as well. Does this prefab work? So I'm not sure why my UI keeps flipping between the saves.
What? Hey, you know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Serious ah?
Yeah lah, my cousin's dentist ex-husband booked to Bali for super cheap, yeah.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
Okay. Something is causing this to keep updating. Would it be one of the save slot templates? It looks to be so. Why would this be constantly flipping the save? Oh, because set dirty is here. So only if the button is pressed do we do the set dirty thing. That makes sense. Let's move this in. And this one as well. No need for us to constantly be setting everything to be dirty. UI save something. So this optimizes things for us quite a bit because now it's no longer this constant flipping.
Yes, Agoda has great deals on flights too. Find great deals on flights from Singapore to anywhere in the world. Don't miss out on your dream trip. Grab a flight and take off. Book your flights now.
So if I bring out this prefab onto the scene, this might be a bad idea. Let's unpack. I should be grabbing the entire canvas. Delete. So this whole thing should be deleted. Call this the native save UI canvas. Maybe before I do that, let's delete unpack. Let me just delete all the extra slots here. And I will also remove all these extras. In the prefab itself, there should be no assignment of, let's get in here. The bench here shouldn't be assigned as a default, and then I can duplicate this actual prefab over to the other project. So this gives me the native save UI and a couple of things I want to change. And that's mostly just I've got to reset this and update the slot. Because the slot should be saying that nothing is found. So it should say start new game now.
What? Hey, you know or not? Agoda also got good flight deals.
Serious ah?
Yeah lah. My cousin's dentist ex-husband booked to Bali for super cheap, yeah.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
But instead it's not responding to me at all. UI save slot. Manager. Oh.
Yes, Agoda has great deals on flights too. Find great deals on flights from Singapore to anywhere in the world. Don't miss out on your dream trip. Grab a flight and take off. Book your flights now.
Why does handle process update not fire? Something happens, man. Because something happens here, obviously. Oh, because there are no slots. Then if I try to take an arrow, so what I need to do is fix the now reference exception first. That's on line 31.
Yes, Agoda has great deals on flights too. Find great deals on flights from Singapore to anywhere in the world. Don't miss out on your dream trip. Grab a flight and take off. Book your flights now.
So that I can generate elements. Next. And then if there isn't any option, because if there are no settings, there will be an issue, right?
Agoda got cheap flights also leh.
Huh? Serious ah?
Yeah lor. My cousin's wife's yoga kaki save a lot, you know.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore to anywhere with Agoda.
I think now it should be able to find correct number of slots and show that there is no save data.
Ow!
Hey, you know or not? Agoda got cheap flights also leh.
Huh? Serious ah?
Yeah lor. My cousin's wife's yoga kaki save a lot, you know.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore to anywhere with Agoda.
Ow!
Hey, you know or not? Agoda got cheap flights also leh.
Huh? Serious ah?
Yeah lor. My cousin's wife's yoga kaki save a lot, you know.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore to anywhere with Agoda.
I think I should be ready for submission. I'm just gonna put some dummy assets in. Just gonna copy the PDF for some other asset over, and then we can always resubmit the PDF and all that stuff. So right now, the most essential thing is to get this up. User.
What? Hey, you know or not? Agoda also got good flight deals.
Serious ah?
Yeah lah. My cousin's dentist ex-husband booked to Bali for super cheap, yeah.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
So persistent object is not inside the namespace as well. I didn't know about that.
You know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Ah, serious ah?
Yeah lah, my ex-colleague's durian buddy flew to Tokyo for half price.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
You know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Ah, serious ah?
Yeah lah, my ex-colleague's durian buddy flew to Tokyo for half price.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
Creating a couple of placeholders for my project. Accepted with one. It looks like I have to upgrade my entire project. This might take a while. So I've got to use 2021 instead to do my uploads. I can't be using 2020 anymore. So that means I've got to upgrade my project. In the meantime, I can just fix these errors right here. All these errors are just because I've got to add this base here. Quite straightforward, actually.
My cousin's wife's yoga kaki save a lot, you know.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore to anywhere with Agoda.
Done. Now I've got to do a re-upload. Let me. View GUI text mesh pro sprite. I am GUI. Right, yeah. Let's re-upload this project. I'm gonna delete this.
Ow!
Hey, you know or not? Agoda got cheap flights also leh.
Huh? Serious ah?
Yeah lor. My cousin's wife's yoga kaki save a lot, you know.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore to anywhere
So I'm
with
just gonna
Agoda.
do an early submission first. So once this is done, take about a month, and I'm gonna start creating the content for part 15 over the next couple of days. I'll see if I can do a stream on Saturday. If I don't have it, if I don't have too many things on, that is what I'll do. But if Saturday doesn't work out, I'm gonna be streaming probably Monday or Tuesday, because part 15 is a big priority for me right now. And thank you for tuning in. That's all I have today. I finally submitted the package. Very happy with the progress. And Unity usually takes about a month. It takes a very long time for them to get back. So while this is processing, I'm going to be creating the marketing images for this save system, and the HTML files and all that stuff. Really excited. And well, I'll see you all in the next stream.